Remedies. As the name suggests, Home Remedies is the application which has a comprehensive guide to cure common ailments and diseases using spices, herbs, fruits, and vegetables. So, just to promote a healthy living with any side effects, we have developed this application which also focuses on women's and children's health. Let's coming to the details of this application. The application basically starts with the tip of the day feature, which is not shown into the picture. And if it is interesting to you, you can share it with your friends and family over the Facebook and the social media. And we have one highlight section which talks about the women's health and the kids' health. So if you can tap on any of the highlight tiles, you will have this list of the diseases which are related to a particular category. So if for example, if you tap on the kids' health, you have a list of the common diseases or ailments. So if you tap on any of the disease, you will have the corresponding remedies for that disease. So you can browse through those remedies available, and you can also schedule those remedies. You can add a reminder, you can add a alarm to it, and if you like it, you can even share that particular remedy over the social media. Even you can share it with an email or with a Facebook. And along with that home remedies, there are some do's and don'ts included into that remedies that you can go through and use it. One more feature we have got in this, that sometimes language is a barrier. For example, you talk to your grandmother and she says, okay, for particular disease you have to take this, so maybe you can just record a audio. So we have a voice memo feature into the application. You can just read a 2 minutes voice memo, and you can save it for the later use whenever you are in need. On the technological front, we have included a Google News feature into that. So basically it fetches the real-time and the latest news related to home remedies, articles, information across the globe. So you'll have a list of the news. You can tap on any of the news item, and it basically comes to your browser. So that's a little bit about this application. So how it is unique in terms of the product. So it's promotes the healthy living through natural remedies. So there is no side effect. And the application is very simple to use in terms of the design. And the voice memo is just for your personalized remedies. You can use it. So basically this award or this event is related to the community development. So we have how does it help in the community development? So social sharing to promote health. You can share it among your family and your friends, and covers a large user base, kids, like it all talks about the family health, and so basically promoting a healthy lifestyle. Thank you everybody.